In this lesson now we do some work on the surface area of spheres. Now let's consider our ball there, a sphere. The surface area equals 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius. So there's the formula there, SA equals 4 pi r squared. So let's look at some examples now. We need to find the surface area and we're going to answer correct to 1 decimal place. Where our formula there, SA equals 4 pi r squared, where the 4 pi, let's write that down, the radius is squared. Well, we're given the diameter there, aren't we? So we need to halve that to find the radius, so we get the radius is 5. So substituting that in our formula, we get multiplying by 5 squared. And when we calculate that, it works out to be 314.2. It's square centimetres because it's an area. We've rounded that off to 1 decimal place. Our second example, we need to find the surface area. Okay, this shape is a hemisphere. It's half a sphere. We're going to answer correct to 1 decimal place. So the surface area equals, well, the curved surface plus the base. Okay, don't forget to add the base. So there's our base there. Easy to forget, make sure you don't. Righto, equals the curved surface. Well, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. That is if we had a whole sphere. We only want a half. So we're going to multiply it by 1/2. The base is simply a circle, so we're going to add the area of a circle, pi r squared. So looking at that now, a half times 4 pi r squared, where the radius is 8. We're going to write a half times 4 times pi times 8 squared. Then we're adding pi r squared, okay, again where the radius is 8, so we're adding pi times 8 squared, and we calculate that. It works out to be 603.2, again, square centimetres, and again we've rounded off to 1 decimal place. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.